children, today we are going to start chapter number 4 of class 8, subject English 2, present and past. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used for habits or repeated actions. He drinks milk every morning. She often uses the internet. For general truth, things that always happen. The sun rises in the east, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. For things that stays the same for a long time, my uncle lives in Chennai. He works in a bank. To tell a story in a dramatic way, Saurabh now rushes forward and deals a heavy blow to Rustam. To describe actions as they happen, for example, in broadcast, commentaries, or sporting events. The simple present is also used for future actions. You will learn about this use in the next chapter. Present continuous tense. The present continuous is used for actions going on at this time or speaking as she is watching TV now. The boys are playing hockey. Your friends are waiting for you. Hurry up. Next. This tense is also used for actions which are happening around now and not necessarily at the time of speaking. I am reading Gulliver Travels, but I am not reading now. Note that certain verbs, on account of their meaning, are not normally used in the continuous tense. They include love, like, dislike, hate, and many more. Wrong. I am urging with you, arguing with you. Sorry, wrong. I am agreeing with you. Right. I agree with you. Wrong. We are having a DVD player. Right. We have a DVD player. You will learn in the next chapter that the present continuous tense is also used for future actions. Now we have the first exercise. So, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of verb in the bracket. Use the simple present or present continuous tense. The moon dash round the earth. So it is the moon goes. Goes goes. Look, the bus is coming. 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 My uncle dash a car. Has. Has. Water dash at 100 degrees Celsius. Boils. 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 That house, the dash to Mr. Raman. This belongs. 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 The water dash turned the gas off. The water is boiling. 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 I dash to the temple every day. Go. Listen, somebody dash at the door. It is tapping. 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 The boy dash chocolates. Wants. WNTS wants. Where are the children? They dash in the garden. They are playing. Playing. Now, exercise 2. What did you do last Sunday? Write 5 sentences using a simple past tense. So, the sentences you can write is I got up at 6 a.m. I had tea with my relatives at 7 a.m. I watched the morning program on TV. We had lunch at 1 p.m. I had a little nap between 2 and 3 p.m. This is your homework you have to do in English to notebook. Next, present perfect tense. We use the present perfect tense for past actions which we think of their effect in the present. Somebody has broken the window. The window is not broken. I have cleaned the motorbike. Is it? It is clean now. Gopi has eaten all the biscuits. There are none left for you. Action that happens only a short time ago with just he has just gone out. I have just heard the news. Indefinite action that happens in a period leading up to the present time, often with already, ever, never, yet, twice, thrice, times, etc. I have already finished my homework. Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? I have never seen it. I have seen it twice. For actions beginning at some time in the past and going on up to the moment of speaking with since and for phrase. I know I have known him since 1996. We have lived in Nagpur for 5 years. We still live in Nagpur. Compare the above sentences with this. We lived in Nagpur for 5 years. We are living in Nagpur no longer. The present perfect says about the past and about the present, while the simple past refers only to the past. Now, use the simple past tense or the present perfect tense with expression of past time which say when something happened wrong. I have phoned her an hour ago. I phoned her an hour ago. Now, exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect form of the verbs in the boxes. First one, Suresh dashed the TV. So answer is has repaired. REPAIRED, repaired. I dash her for a long time. Have known. KNOWN, known. It is very cold, so I dash the window. Have closed. I dash Qutub Minar several times. Have visited. We dashed the electricity bill already. Have paid. Ouch, you dash on my foot. Have trod. Or you can write trodden. TRODDEN, trodden. Next we have exercise 4. Now, fill in the blanks with the correct or most appropriate forms of the verb in the bracket. Use the simple past or present perfect tense. We dashed the movie on video yesterday. We saw. I dash Mr. N.P. Singh since 2001. Have known. It is very cold, so I dash the window. Have closed. I dashed my breakfast half an hour ago. I have had. I dashed the crossword look. I have solved. Okay, now SOLVED, solved. The chief minister dashed our school last month. It is visited. Now, present perfect continuous tense. We use the present perfect continuous tense for an action which starting at some time in the past and is still continuing. This tense is often used with the time expressions how long, since, and for. How long have you been waiting here? It has been raining since 4 o'clock. They have been repairing the bridge for 4 months. This tense is also used for an action already finished. The result of the action happen in the present. I am very tired. I have been playing tennis. The children's hair is wet because they have been swimming in the river. Simple past tense. We use the simple past tense for an action finished at some time in the past. We often talk or think about a definite time in the past. Example, all yesterday, at last night, last week, 3 months ago, in 2004 as. They arrived yesterday. She phoned me last Saturday. I bought this camera in Bangalore. I slept well, that is last night. The simple past is also used for habits or repeated words actions in the past. When I was in Chennai, I went to the beach every day. We usually spend the summer in Bangalore. Now, past continuous tense. The past continuous is used for an action that was still going on at a particular moment in the past. I was watching the news at that time. When I saw him, he was playing chess. He bit his finger when he was having lunch. As in the last two sentences above, the past continuous tense is often used in combination with the simple past. The past continuous usually refer to a longer background action. The simple past is used for a new action that happened in the middle of the longer one. Past perfect tense. The past perfect is used for an action completed before a certain point in the past or before another action happened. We got to the station at 4:45, but the train had left by that time. The rain had stopped when we came out. When the students had done the experiments, they wrote a report on it. She had not slept much on the plane, so she went to bed early that night. Exercise 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verb in the bracket. Use the simple past continuous, past perfect, or present tense. First one. Saroj dashed her hand while she dashed dinner. So the answer is burnt. 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 She was cooking. Okay. Next. Anil came at 10:30. You dashed to bed by that time. Had gone. Gopi dashed asleep while he dashed the magazine. Gopi fell asleep while he was reading. We dashed to the cinema late, so the film dashed already. We got to the cinema late, so the film had already started. Had already started. The boy dashed while he dashed. So the answer is the boy fell while he was running. He dashed very tired because he dashed football for 2 hours. He felt very tired because he had played football for 2 hours. So children, with this we have completed our chapter number 4, present and past. The exercise you have to complete on page number 28. The exercise 2 you are doing in the notebook. The answers I have already told you. The exercise 3 and 4 on page 30 and 31, and exercise 5 on page number 32. So complete your work. Thank you.